What about now? Perfect. Okay. Okay. I'm inside of root now. If you want to clear the screen, you can give CLAR, clear the screen. Okay. Yeah. So mkdir, I'm creating a directory 1. ls, you can see directory 1 now. Okay. Now cd, go inside the directory 1. Okay. So you can create a file, or you can do one thing, create a file first. ls, you are able to see directory 1, file 1. One is directory, one is file, right? So now mv command will work here to move file into directory here. So here it will work like a move, not rename. Right or not? Why? On the same name already directory exists. So simply it will move inside the directory. For example, if you give like this, now rename, directory 2 is not exist, right? It will work like a rename. If directory 2 folder is there, it will move inside the directory 2. That's what. As per the situation, as per the file, what name you are going to give, if any directory will exist on the same name, it will be move, not rename. Clear? Yeah. So I can do one thing. This time, if I create a directory 2, so my file 1 is there, right? I want to change mv file 1 into directory 2. I'm going to rename file 1 as a directory 2. Is it possible now? No. So system can understand here move option, not rename option. See, you may understand my file 1 is changed as a directory 2. It's not like that. Yeah, you can go inside the directory 2. cd dir tab, give it to ls. See, file 1 is there. It's move operation. So depends on the action, the existing directory, it will be work like a rename or move. Clear now? mv command. Okay. Till here clear? So CLEAR to clear the screen. Now, today I'm going to discuss cat command, vi command, vi return. So touch command is for what? Create a just file only, no content. For example, if I want to add a content, guys, see, this is, I have added it. Correct, Saurav. Yes, you are right. So now, if I want to add a content, I will open a new tab and add a content and then save and exit from there, right? Just wait. Shiva? Yeah. లేదు నీ అకౌంట్కా నేను యూజర్ క్రియేట్ చేసి యూజ్ చేశాను ఆ వెరిఫికేషన్ మెసేజ్ ఎవరికి వెళ్తుంది నో 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 యాక్చువల్గా అది ఏమవుతుందంటే జస్ట్ వెయిట్ బై డిఫాల్ట్ వెరిఫికేషన్ అనేది యాక్టివేట్ అయిపోతుంది 2 మెంబర్స్ అకౌంట్ యాక్సెస్ చేసుకుంటే నువ్వు డిలీట్ చేసే ఐఎంలోకి వెళ్ళి వెరిఫికేషన్ కూడా డిలీట్ చేసావు ఇప్పుడు వెరిఫికేషన్ కూడా నువ్వు అథెంటికేషన్ లేదా ఒకసారి నేను చెక్ చేస్తాను, రిమూవ్ చేయడం అవుతుంది. ఓకే, just wait, some issue in the account. Yes, just a minute. One account there is a verification issue. Let's sign out. Hello. శివ, అది ఒకసారి నాకు ఓటీపీ చెప్పా, వెరిఫికేషన్ కూడా. గండే అపర్ణ సంథింగ్ 33@gmail.com. చూడు, ఇష్యూస్ నాకు మళ్ళీ చెప్పా. Okay, guys. Sorry for the disturbance. Let's go here again. Okay, so let's go to server. EC2. Let's connect now. So MV command is clear, right? Let's go for VI command now. So VI command, touch command, difference is what? Touch just create a file, empty file. VI create a file plus content also we can add, right? So switch to, yeah, focus now. So VI, if you can give file one, it will take you into the editor. So here you can add anything. Okay, so you can add, first give insert and add here. Like this, we can write a content. So how to save? Escape, :WQ. If you want to unsave, just Q. Okay, if you want to save, add W also. Write and quit. Only quit means not save the file. Same like in Notepad also, right? Save as or exit. So here If you want to enable insert, if you want to enable, you can give set number. I think you can enable number inside the V8. For example, when we can use this command, when you run any script, it will throw an error line number 31. There is error. We don't know line number 31, right? So immediately you can enable set number. We can directly go to the line number 31 and see the issue. Clear? Set number. And now, so if you want to delete, now, you directly give D command like this. So D command, guys, for example, content is there. Some content is there like this. Okay. If you want to remove the content, if it is insert mode, for example, if it is a insert mode, you need to be remove line by line. If there is no, if it is not an insert mode, if you can give DD. Let's go. So you can press DD completely, it will be delete. If it is an insert mode again, you can create any file. The extension, see, if you want to create a Python file, give .py. If you want to create a Terraform file, give it .tf. The extension your wish, you can create any file. By default, text file it will be created. If you give any extensions, it will be created along with that. So ls, now let's go to the create a file. File 1, you can add hi, give insert and hi, welcome. Now insert, write and quit the file. ls, file 1 is there, right? Delete enter, not character, delete enter line by line quickly. You just give it continuously D like this, it will be delete everything. If it is an insert format, give one by one. If you give backspace only, delete one by one line only. Okay, now file 1 insert content I have added, right? If you want to read the content, again you can go VI file 1. But we can read this content by using cat command also. We have a cat command now. Cat command, quickly we can read the file. See, hi, welcome. No need to interact the terminal, right? So editor. If you interact editor again, we need to run insert command, WQ command, but easily we can read. How to read the file? Cat command. Next. So if you want to append the content or override the content by using cat, we can do it. For example, cat single greater than file 1. If you use a single greater than, it will be overriding, inter content will be override. My file 1 insert hi welcome is there, right? If I give single greater than, it will ask give the content. So I'm going to give training and give enter and skip now. Skip now. Clear now? So now, if you can first focus here, I will explain. Now again read. Training content is only there, but AWS hi welcome is completely override with the training content. So single greater than, if you can give whatever content is there, everything will be override. Control plus C means skip. Again I'm going to give a content, enter. So it will be interacted with your terminal, give the content like a V editor. I'm giving here hi and enter and control C now to exit from the terminal. Control C. Then you are able to access your terminal. Again, you can give cat file 1. Cat file 1. I'm able to see hi. Clear now? I'm able to see hi only. If I want to override, which command? Single greater than. If I want to append, double greater than. If you give like this, welcome and enter, Control C. Now you can see cat hi welcome content. It's the append, not override. Existing content as is and add your content. Double greater than. Just cat file is a read, single greater than is override, double greater than is append. Control, no need to save control plus. See, if you are inside the, terminal, just give control C only to exit from here. Interacting terminal, single greater than, double greater than. If you want to quit, control C. Quit the terminal. Clear? Okay. Now very important thing is cat double greater than file1. I'm going to add a DevOps here. Now if you can skip. Now if I read cat, what content I can see? Hi, welcome. DevOps also, right? But no, only welcome. DevOps line also skip here. See, controls you have given in the same line. Same line will skip. So how to add double greater than is to append. Okay, right only. After giving a DevOps here, enter and skip. Okay, if you are in the DevOps only, if you give control C, that line will skip completely. So DevOps will skip. Clear? Clear? This is VI and cat. Let's go to right here. So VI command is for what? Create file and add content. So this is for what? Quit the editor without save the file. Next is write and quit. Write and quit means what? Save. Next is cat read the file. Cat so cat single greater than file is override. Cat append the content. Clear? The next concept. So echo command. If you want to add, see, if you give the cat command, you can see here. If you want to add the content, you can give the W greater than. If you want to override the content with your content, give the single greater than. If you need a more clarity, go for V editor. These are the options. Nano also there. Same only. You can use Nano or VA. Both are same. Echo. Echo command. Echo means what? Print. For example, echo hi. Print hi only. Echo hi. Okay. Echo hi. What is the meaning? Hmm? Is this cat command? Then why you are saying override? If you see any greater than symbol, override. Print. This is path. Where exactly it has to be print. Let's run. Now you can see it is not printing here, right? So you can see cat file1 I is print here. Clear now? Yeah. So that by giving the path we can. Okay. Now guys, I want to copy the file. I want to move the file into directory 2. Like this I can give, right? Override. Yes. Okay. Now if you can see, uh, directory to inside file is there, right? Now I want to copy that file directory to inside to directory 1. How to do that? My file is there inside the directory 2. I want to copy or move from the directory 2 to directory 1. How to do that? My file is there inside the directory 2. I want to be move or copy into the directory 1. Here to here. Give the path. Move directory 2 slash file1, then directory. Clear? Let's go to cd. Cat command will work here like this. No, cat can read file, not directory. Cd can switch to directory, not file. So what I can see, can I give like this? Hmm? See, clear or not? I'm not going to switch. I'm going to read the file inside the directory. That is the difference here. But file1 is directory means cat is unable to read. File1 is file that is inside the directory, so that you are giving a path. So this command you can run by running two commands. First cd directory 1 and again cat file1. See, these two steps I have given like a one step. Cat inside directory 2 there is a file, you can read it. That is the meaning. So if you don't know how to give, simply what you can do, your file is located into where? Directory 2, right? Go to the directory 2. Now directory 1, right? Go to the directory 1 and check the file 1 is here, right? Take a PWD path. See, this file is located. You no need to give root. Eh? Why you are already inside the root? If you want to give your wish. So how you can give? Copy. No need to give root. You are already inside of the root, right? So directory 1 inside, sorry, directory 1 inside file 1 to directory 2. Like this also you can give. Directory 1 no file. Let's check. Sorry, I'm already inside the directory 1, right? Now you can run. Clear? So the meaning of this command, directory 1 inside one more directory 1 is there. Inside file one, you just copy that, but directory inside no directory, right? That's what I came back. And now I'm saying inside home directory, directory one is there. Inside directory one, file one is there. That will be copy into directory two. So directory two inside file is there or not? How to move into root home directory? How to move into root home directory from here? Move to home directory, root home directory, same directory. Copy or move? Tell me. Move. Okay, anyway, move. Where the file is located? Directory two slash file one. CP. What is CP command? Sir, ఈ రోజు join అయ్యారా? Huh? Okay. File one inside directory two, right? How to move inside the home directory? Hmm? Let's give like this. What is the meaning of this? Single dot, nothing but current directory. I'm going to move into current directory, right? Current directory means root home directory inside I'm going to move. If you give ls, now I'm able to see file one. Clear? Or you can give forward slash root. Why forward slash root? PWD. Present working directory is forward slash root. You are already inside the root only. If you want to give, you can give. Yeah, home directory. Dot means, so where you are, I'm inside the root home directory. Dot means current directory. Double dot? Huh? One step back. Yeah. Go back to one step. Clear echo command and all? Yeah. Head tile, different compare, common, sort, export. We can discuss these commands. Okay. So first, man means, what is man? Manual. For example, man ls. You don't know the command how it will work. Give a manual. Man ls. See, a list directory content ls is. So you don't know, for example, how to quit, q to quit. Man cp. CP is a copy file and directories. Manual of the given command. It will show end-to-end information. So if you want to know more, copy source to destination or multiple source to directory, like that. Quit. Okay. Now ls yeah, correct. Tutorial of commands. Correct. Okay. Next. ls. So you can give grep. I will discuss calendar if you want to see. Okay. Next, the command is okay. Grep command. Grep is to command to call specific string. For example, M is for what? Package manager for Amazon Linux, right? M list installed. If you can see the packages that are installed as a default in your M package manager. If I hit now. These many packages already there in your M repository. So you can install these packages if you want to run. For example, mlist install. Git is there or not? Hmm? Okay, what I can do? So mlist install. So grep. Okay, I'll do one thing. First, I will explain the grep command how it will work. So that file one is there, right? If I give ls, I'm able to see list of all the directories and files, right? I want to see particular file is there or not inside. What we can do? ls grep file one. See guys, if you run this command, it will throw an error. The reason here two Linux commands, ls is a Linux command, grep is a Linux command. If you want to combine, give pipe symbol. First list objects, then continue, apply some filter on top of that on the name, whatever you have given. File one is my name. It will search inside the list. If it will be there, it will give only file one information. If you want to apply some particular string to list, clear? For example, if I give file to any response, no, my grep is saying that no file to, clear? Now mlist install. If I give grep python like this, with respect to Python packages, you are able to see only Python, right? But if you give mlist install, you can see a lot of, but I'm going to apply filter. I want to see only Python activities. So apply filter by using grep Python. Here, this will indicate build code, means star means here Python 3 or Python 4 or Python 1 or Python 2, anyone like that. Now Python 3 packages are there, right? Python 3 packages are there. See Python 3 RPM packages are there. Now m install Python 3 -y. So Python 3 already installed. Okay. So Python 3 already there. Clear how to work with grep here? Correct, Saurabh. It will search, apply the filter, whatever the string you have given after grep, it will apply the filter and search, it will give back to you by using grep command is very important in the point of interview and the real time also. You no need to worry for Linux guys. Seriously, I'm saying that if any requirement will come directly go to ChatGPT, give the command, it will give. Okay, not required any prerequisites, right, to understand Linux, right? Command, just run. No need to worry. Don't spend more time on for Linux. Just casually every day, 15 minutes or 30 minutes run a command. Okay, so that's what I'm saying. Every day, share 2-3 commands in the Telegram group, right or not? Take someone today. I'm going to share 3 commands. Yes, first command is this one, second command is this one, third command is this one, and next day other person can take initiative. If you discuss in the group Linux, we no need to worry about that, right? Yeah. Every day 3 commands means our training will be in next 2 months or 3 months. How many commands? 19 to 30, 300 commands, which is equal. You know, understand? Next, this is grep command. So now, if I want to install any packages from external, I can use wget command. Killer Coda Ubuntu is not M repository. Ubuntu is apt repository. Amazon Linux works on M repository. Ubuntu works on apt repository. That's what you can use. Wget is command to install packages from external. Those are not available inside. Yeah. For example, there is a process Tomcat. Tomcat is a server process. If you want to install Tomcat, yeah, we did in Splunk, right? Very good, Raj. In Splunk also, right? In CloudWatch and Splunk, CloudWatch already agent is there. So M install CloudWatch agent -y. So you are able to. But Splunk is not official agent for AWS, right? So wget like that. So Tomcat is not official agent. Even you can check mlist install grep Tomcat. So nothing is there, right? So nothing is there. In this case, you need to be installed from external only. So let's go to the Tomcat. Tomcat download. Okay. So here we have a different formats, zip formats, tar format, different formats. So which format I can take here? For example, zip format if you are taking, just click on here, copy link address. So these core packages, the binary distributions you are going to be installed inside the Amazon Linux. In this case, taking a wget command. So official page. So how to run wget? Clear now? So now you can see Apache Tomcat 9.0.98 is downloaded. You can see downloaded. This is which format? Zip format. How to extract unzip command is also unzip extract. If you download any packages from external, we have to extract right if it is a zip format. So you no need to copy paste, directly give a and now tab and simply enter. See, these many things are there inside. ls. How to switch to Apache? cd a Apache 9. Yeah. So these many files are there inside the Apache. Clear? Okay. Let's switch to. So if you want to rename, you can rename MV Apache to simply Tomcat for easily calling. Now ls say Tomcat. Clear? So this is renamed as a Tomcat. Your wish. You can see, you can download anywhere. I mean, downloading into home directory. You can download anywhere except super user directory. Their default directories are there, right? Logs directories and something home information. We are not supposed to do. Home directories only we need to be execute anything. Correct. Now delete. If you want to delete like this, delete. Zip format is not clear. Same process. Let me delete here Tomcat also again. You can download tar file also. This is what tar file. See, tar file. What is tar file means? Different the extensions tar, zip. These are all build packages. We can extract later. Again, wget. Okay, ls. So this is we need to be what untar. Zip format we can unzip, right? Untar is not untar, guys. Untar command is tar -xvzf. xvzf This is the command. If you want untar. Untar means what? Extract. Same process. How you unzip, extract, untar from. So now if you can see inside, same directories inside the Tomcat. You can see same directories. All are same, but different formats. Okay. How to untar the file, how to unzip the file, and something. Deleted directory, rm-rf, give the deleted directory. This is directory only, right? Let's go. This is directory only, right? Delete rm-rf. Delete. Completely deleted directory. If you want to delete rm-rf star, all deleted. See how fast it is. Quickly deleting. Even large files also. Clear tar, untar, grep, cat, vi. Okay. Let's go to the document we can see next. Yeah, correct. Followed by the link. So these are not at all important. No, once you delete only. Head tile. So let's discuss these and all. Head and tile and not important, but let's discuss. Okay. For example, Control C, ls. So let's create a file cat. I'm creating a file single greater than. Already nothing is there, right? So that's what I can easily create a file one, the single greater than. So no need to worry about overwrite. Something is there, nothing is there here. So here I'm just adding the content. Sorry, I'm giving here something like this. Okay, like this I'm giving. Okay. So Control C and cat file one. I'm able to enter content, right? If you give head file one, you can see first 10 lines of the code only. If you give tail, last 10 lines. Clear the difference? If you give like this, first 5 lines. If you give tile, not important, just I'm saying last 3 lines. Head and tail. Clear? Clear the screen. You can give history command, guys. If you run history command, what are commands you perform today? You can see the history, including history command. Okay. So simply, if you are not performing anything, I will ask you uh, check the history, then give a screenshot so that I can understand where you did mistake exactly. Okay. Yeah. And the next. So these are regular commands, guys. Touch, copy, cat, vi. These are regular activities what we are going to perform in Linux, grep and all. Next, rm-rf star. Okay, let me create a 2 files. File 1, file 2. Okay, so let's give cat file 1. Sorry, nothing is there. So let me add the content. So I'm giving here enter Control C, cat greater than file2. I'm giving. Okay. Clear? Both are two different contents, right? So now you can see the command diff command. Find the difference between two files. Diff file1, file2. Two files are different, right? It is showing the different. For example, cat so I'm giving hi also in file2 also. Now cat file1 hi is there, cat file2 hi is there. Both are identical files. Now give diff. No difference is there, right or not? That's what not showing anything. Now if you can see CMP. CMP means compare file1, file2. Same. It is also in identical files are there. It is going to be checked, right or not? But here, see this common combines the functionality of difference and compare. Let's give file1. See common that will be show here. Hi is the common in these two files. So difference is no. Common is yes. Compare is nothing to do compare. Clear? Let's add the content. Different content inside the file too. Again, welcome. Control C. Now compare. Let's start for difference. So completely two files are different. Showing the content also. See here, file1, file2, first line is difference. It is showing in the compare. It's compare the file where exactly difference is, it is showing. Common is what? Combine. So common files. There hi, here welcome. Like that it is shown. So mostly we are using difference. File is difference is there so that we can check. But in real time we are not using at all. If any identical files are there, we can give and check different. Is there any difference in the file? If, for example, your duplicate files are there. If you want to check the both content are same, what you can do different. Nothing is there means you can delete one file like that. If you want to see the content here and there also, go for common. Which content is there and here also. Both combination of different and compare. So different means no difference. Compare means where the file is compare. Common means both the difference plus compare and which file is different also it will show. Which lines. Difference only. Both are see. Compare means it will compare any identical content is there. If not there means it will. Yeah. Sort. Sort command is, for example, cat file1 is there. So let's add a content into the file1. Like that, if I add Control C. If you give sort command, I can see the alphabet and ascending order. The file is, it will be set like ascending order, alphabet format. Tomorrow class is very important. I'm going to show you SSH. If you, how to generate a keys, okay, in your own keys maybe miss how to access the instance or SSH commands. Very, very important, guys. Real time, complete real time. These are just comments only. We have a 30 minutes time. Let's discuss. You know, right? Service command, systemctl start. Service if you want to start, systemctl start. If you want to stop, systemctl stop. You can give. Okay. Service commands. If you want to check the status, stop, start, restart. These are system service commands. PS. What is PS? Active process running inside your. This is PS. If any Python are running, Python process also you can see here. At this time, these default process only running. Process ID also you can say PID. Okay. DF means you can see the disk size and all. You can see by seeing this, what is the file system of EBS volume? The name of the file system of EBS volume here. I can say different file systems, right? Where is your EBS volume here? Huh? XV DA1. This is your file system, right? EBS volume. While creating a EC2 instance, by default, how much volume it will take? 8 GB. See, this is 8 GB. And used what? 1.6 GB. 6.6 is still available. 20% you use. For what? Root directory. So remaining are default directories. So here only we have to focus. I mean, this is distributed into different directories. Temporary file system 0%, /dev boot file system boot 13%, tmpfs run 1%. So 20% it is taking this one only. lsblk command. You can see the list of disks mounted on your system. XVDA1 is the one, 127 is the one, 120 is the one. But here our EBS is this one. Okay. LSBLK number of disks mounted on your file system. This is usage. This is number of disks. DF is usage. LSBLK is the number of disks attached. This is default behavior. We don't need anything. This is our one. So this is my disk. The disk is partitioned into 127, 128, 8 GB, 1 MB, 10 MB, like this. Okay. Yeah, we can. I will show you that also. The coming classes. We can add the disk. How to mount here. We can increase the size of the volume through Linux. How to resize the volume and all we can see. Yeah, I have given an EC2 task list anyway, that is. Okay. Tree command. Tree is to show the list of files and directory in the structure format. So by default, tree won't work. You have to be install tree. Tree install, right? Now you can give tree command. You can see the file folder structure. For example, mkdir directory 1 I'm creating, cd directory 1, inside I'm creating a file 1, again inside I'm creating a multiple directories, cd directory 2 dash file 3, like this I'm creating. So you can come back to home directory, you can see the entire folder structure by giving tree home directory. See, where exactly your files are there. You don't need to go anywhere. Just give the tree command. Yeah, clear tree command. Hmm. So ch1, chmod, I need to be discussed in coming classes. Okay, let me show you that one also. Guys, my yeah, host name is okay. Let me change host name also. Otherwise, if you want to change the host name, you can change the host name also. But let me show you this one first. This is little important. Then we can discuss. Host name I will show you at the time of users creation. User one, user two. I will create a host name on the same name. Okay. Let's show you this one. This is little important one. Resizing of the volume. For example, let's go to here. My instance is running T2 micro, right? The volume, how I can find out, click on the EC2 and go to the storage. So here 8 GB is there, right? This volume. Now I want 10 GB. So open the volume, attach it to EC2 instance. The volume go to modify and here I can give 10 GB. But decrease is not possible. Only increase only. Okay. If provision they have given, for example, decrease, existing files may be deleted on the volume, right? That's what the provision is not there. Mm. Now see, volume is being modified now. So 10 GB, right? You can see here, volume state optimizing in use, size is 10 GB. Now you can come and check here. What is the command to check? LSBLK, the disk volume 10 G. Okay, volume is, but if you can see usage command is what? DF or DF-H. If you can see, still it is using 8 GB only, not updated 10 GB here. Yes, you are able to see list of disks 10 GB and all, but that should be mount on the XVDA1 only. Until and that it is not usable. Volume 10 GB is there, but usable is 8 GB only. So we need to be resize here. How to resize? This is the command. This is very important. Grow command. This command is give the provision to grow the volume, the given volume in the LSBLK. So this is the disk name, right? File system name /dev/xvda1. That is going to be grow as per the LSBLK. My LSBLK is what? 10 GB. So when you run this command, it will be grow 8 to 10 GB. Done. Okay. Now what you can do? You can reboot. Okay. Now you can check. Okay, let's go and go to instances. Connect. Sudo su hyphen ls df hyphen h or df also, no problem. Update or not? No. 10 GB is updated, right? So user is 16%, before is 20%. Clear? This is xfs sudo grow command. So that's all for today. So tomorrow is very important SSH we can discuss, and we will discuss how to mount the volume, additional volume, and also users management, very important users, how to create a groups users, how to give sudo's permission to one file, how to give access to someone this file, and all we can discuss. Yeah, so do the activity. So this file already shared, right, to you? I have shared this not yet shared. Okay, let me share now. I need to update that one also. Okay, okay. Okay, I will share, guys. You can